Welcome to our channel Usama Power Path. If you want to build your confidence, this video is for you. Don't skip single, let's begin. Building confidence isn't just about feeling good, it's about unlocking the best version of yourself. Here are 10 powerful tips to build you confidence. 1. Set small, achievable goals. Start with tasks that inspire you. Each victory, no matter how small, builds momentum toward greatness. 2. Focus on strengths. Your unique talents are your superpower. Embrace them and let them shine. 3. Practice positive self-talk. Words have power. Speak to yourself with kindness and affirm your potential daily. 4. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are not failures, they are lessons in disguise. Use them to fuel your growth. 5. Develop new skills. Expanding your knowledge and abilities is a surefire way to feel more capable and confident. 6. Maintain a confident posture. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and own every room you step into. Confidence starts from within and radiates outward. 7. Prepare thoroughly. Preparation is your secret weapon. The more ready you feel, the more unstoppable you become. 8. Surround yourself with positivity. Energy is contagious. Surround yourself with people and environments that inspire and uplift you. 9. Step outside your comfort zone. Growth happens where comfort ends. Take bold steps, even if they feel intimidating at first. 10. Celebrate progress. Every step forward is a reason to celebrate. Recognize your wins and let them fuel your drive for more. If you keep these time tips in mind in your daily life, then after some time you will find your confidence building. If you like this video, then kindly like and subscribe for latest updates. Every subscribe and like from you will restore my confidence. I am very happy to prepare a new video for you. I need your support.